What is it doing? Twirling? Why is it twirling? Security check. Never been live. It's a good thing to test it out. At least I know the camera works. What is it? Let's see how this live go, guys. Because I've never done this. I've never gone live on this laptop. Make sure your volume is up. Not up enough. Brightness. That's good enough. Let me see. Is it working? Let me see. Let's see. Joshua is here. Joshua, I can always depend on you. You're one. I think you are the most supportive content creator. When, because I'm not sure if my laptop works. I've never went live on it, and I was just testing it out. And here you come. Yes, you are awesome. You are the true meaning of support. Son of the King. I like that. I like that name. Son of the King, welcome in. And it rhymes. Son of the King, welcome in. Oh, good. Yes, you're always first place. You are always first place. How's the weather where you are in New York? Are you in New York today? You could be somewhere else, right? How's the weather where you are? Let me go visit Joshua, see what he's up to. Let's see. I'm going to visit everybody today. Today, I will visit you. Today. Nice. I like how it's looking. I'm checking out I like that. I'm checking out the live. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, everyone. What's the plan for the weekend? I kind of chillaxed all day. I didn't go anywhere all day. Just staying home. My sister, I don't know how I messed up and missed recording her. She was building a Chester drawer for my mom, putting it together. These days you order furniture, they come in a box and you got to put it together, or you pay 200 and something to put it together. Well, she did it herself, my sister. She has that gift. I don't. If I'm to put something together, I'm going to lose the screw and put the long part instead of the short part. So it's not for me. But she did it. She did it. And she did a good job. So yeah, she did it. But I was supposed to record all that, right? That's something you record. What was I thinking? I don't know. Yes. Thank you for giving the thumbs up. I appreciate it. I definitely appreciate it, guys. Definitely. I'm here, and none of the little humans are here. So I said, why not go live and test the laptop out? Because the little humans are not here. Some went bowling and some is at Disney. So I'm like, huh, I'm free. I'm free. It's Saturday and the little humans are gone. Yes. The little humans are gone. Let me go check out. Okay, I go check out you guys. Let me see. Let me see. Sign in as Yep. You go. Are you a content creator, son of the king? Thank you. Oh, it's Jeremy. It's Jeremy. Hey, you know what? When I looked down on my phone, I said, I wonder if that's you. I said it to myself, it's like I'm thinking, because the reason why I thought it could be you, because your picture showed up on my phone, one of your shorts. And I was like, that name just fit you. That name fit you. Yeah, see? That was your picture that showed up. It showed up right here. It did. Yeah, the little humans are gone. Some at Disneyland and some at bowling. So I said, let me take the time out. Such peace. Such peace. I hope they know how lucky they are to go bowling and stuff. A lot of children don't have that opportunity. And I really hope that they know that it's great for them to even go to Disneyland. Disneyland is not cheap, guys. It's not cheap. Not cheap at all. Definitely not cheap. Yeah. Yeah, I'm testing out this laptop that I had got a few months ago, but I never went live on it before. Mhm. Okay, so let me give you your thing. Okay, hold on. Tagged? What do you mean being tagged? How you do this? Add as okay. Yeah, we testing out it. And that's what do you mean by being tagged? Yeah. I like that name though. Son of the King. I like that name. I like that one. It's a good one. Very good one. Mm-mm. Joshua, let's go to Joshua. I'm going to look for Joshua. Joshua is such a great supporter. He's like, you can count on him. I was just testing out my laptop and he showed up to let me know. Yeah, it's working. It's all good. Okay. Wonder if Joshua is monetized yet. Yeah, he is because he got over. Yeah, he monetized. He got over 1,000. Hopefully, he got all the watch hours because he's so dedicated. I think Joshua. We met Joshua on this lady from Florida. We met Joshua on this lady from Florida vacation. She went on vacation, and Joshua spoke about his art, and he drew Bob Marley and stuff. That's how we met him, and he really has been a good supporter since then. I don't know what happened to that lady. She was retired and she was doing so good. I don't know if she got tired of. She went to Jamaica. Eh, yeah, you, you said you say a video. This is my ninja for now. Okay, yeah, yeah. I saw your video. It was on my screen. Yeah, but this lady went to Jamaica and she met a lot of people, a lot of content creators. Because she spent a few weeks there and she stayed at someone home, and I don't know what it is, but she was doing so well and she just disappeared from YT, and I really hope that she didn't get tired of everyone like saying they need because she kept coming on her live and saying that I might go places and stuff, but I'm retired. I don't have any extra income. I try to help who I can, but I don't know. It looked like everybody was telling her what they need and they need help, and then if she can send them some money. 'Cause oh God, I don't know why we're like that. so, so she disappeared. She couldn't take it anymore. Yeah, but she was really a nice lady, and I loved her videos. I loved her lives, but she's not here anymore. She disappeared. Yeah, she disappeared. What you had for dinner today, Jeremy? What you have for dinner? I saw this lady at fruits for what 30 days. She ate just pure fruits and she lost weight. I was thinking of doing that, trying watermelon, cucumbers. There's a fruit guy by my job, but it's $10 for the liquor bag. So I rather, buy a watermelon and cut it up myself. Yeah, buy the watermelon and stuff. Yeah, I saw your video. It was me. Yeah. I'm playing they got him, thank God. I remember that video. Joshua, you need to post some more videos. You truly do. Mm. Oh my goodness. Why I let everybody is why. Mm. Okay, let's do Jeremy Richards. Let me go play Jeremy. How to boost energy. I actually saw when this uploaded, and I said I gotta watch this because, and when it comes to this time every evening, my energy drops. When I go to work Monday through Friday. Soon as I get home, I can't do anything. I just want to lay and go to sleep. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Where's that thing? Oh, here it is. Yeah. So I wanted to watch this video because of the what you said, how to boost your energy. I don't know, and you know, I eat my lunch between 12 to 1:30, and I don't eat anything again until I get home. I'm thinking to stop eating when I get home and just drink a cup of tea and some maybe crackers or cheese crackers. I don't know, or a fruit if I'm gonna do fruit, but I gotta figure out what causing my energy. Mm, with bad energy, rice and chicken butt, rice and piece of chicken butt. Okay. Um, I came home one evening and my grandson was just running around the place. Everywhere you go, you see him, and he just kept talking and into everything. And I said, "What did you eat today? What part? No, you must have ate a piece of the chicken back." So my mom had cooked chicken soup. So I was like, "You sure you didn't eat the chicken back?" He's like, "Yeah, I got it back. I got it back." Oh my God, he was just on something. I don't know what it was. I don't know if it's those video games he plays, but I was like, "What is your problem, boy? Go and sit down." Everywhere I went, he was there bothering me. But I love him though. He's our, uh, he's my first grandson. But I don't know. I don't like the games that he plays. I don't like the games because I feel like it changes them. That's my opinion. Because I don't know what it is. It was like Another person just going everywhere everybody was and saying foolish stuff. Like he was just trying to irritate everyone, like annoy them. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna try cutting up some watermelon, cucumbers. Those things good for the kidney. Pineapple good for inflammation. Yeah, mango is a great fiber. You know how much for two mangoes? You guys have a whole mango tree. Two mangoes is $8. $8. Two at the farmers market this Wednesday that passed. It's like a sin to me for them to do that. Yeah, $8 for two mango. I didn't get it, and it don't even taste half as good as Julian East Indian and string. It don't taste good like those. And they were saying $8. I said, forget it. It's no joke. So I just eat a watermelon. Watermelon. So yeah, let's see this. I have to take my time with my glasses. It broke, and I went on the mall, and nobody will fix it. They're like, "No, you have to buy new glasses. That's how they do things here. No, they don't fix it. No, you got to buy new glasses." I was like, you can't just fix this. No, no. I found a man that's not in a store, he's in a stall on the mall. And I say, can you fix this? He fixed cell phones. And he said, yeah, $40 to fix it. I was like, just fix it for me because a glasses cost 500. So I was like, just fix it for me. And he fixed it. He melt right here. So hopefully I can keep it together until I get the new one. Rain, you want to come say hi to them? Rain, you want to come and say hi to the camera? No, I'm not. Next thing you're going to get sick from me. Because here you go. How to boost your energy in 2026. Yes. Yeah, so let me just test out the laptop, see if it's working. It's doing good. And I like how it opened up in Google, which I didn't know what I was doing. This one, yeah, but this one, when I just came here, when I just started that job, yeah, I have it a good while now. Yeah, I never went live on it before. Come say hi to my line. Yes, come say hi to my line. So let's see how my sister look different from me. I'm night, she's day. No, I'm day, you not. Which one? Which one? No, because but you the same. You like waking up early in the morning, right? Yeah, so that's not. Yeah, you're the same as waking up, but everything else we night and day. Everything else. Yeah, I was just testing it out and it worked. Yeah. This one I got from Amazon. The other one, what? The other one, they broke it. That's what happened, right? Yeah, you like buy refurbished stuff. Huh? Refurbished? Mm-mm. No.
Company like I refurbished.
Well, I didn't buy refurbished. I didn't. And the one that I bought, it was working, and they broke it. All my other laptops they break. I think it's like three of them they break already since they bought. Three grandkids, three laptop gone. Hey, I have a coconut. Where's the coconut? I just realized I have a coconut. Just see them oxing some coconut on the TV. I do have a coconut. Let me go look for my coconut. I had the coconut. Where was it? It should be in the fridge, right?
No, if it's in the shell,
Yeah, I put it in there to keep it cold.
you don't keep coconut in the fridge.
Yes, yes, you must put your fruits in there because the sugar, even in the watermelon, it gets sweeter when you put it in the fridge.
Okay.
Yeah, and it don't spoil because when you buy it in the store, it's cold.
But
And
it's
if you
in the
don't put it
shell.
in the cold, it's shell cold too. The shell cold too. Let's look for the coconut. Don't want this it. I have a coconut somewhere in. What happened to the coconut? Here it is. And it had water too. It had water. That water in there. You can open the eye. Look. I hope you guys didn't see my clothes when I got up. Jeremy would tell me, "Oh my God, crazy woman! This the coconut I bought. This our jelly that we can get.
You better be careful over there.
I'm trying to get the eye.
Yeah, but you should put it up there on the counter.
Oh, I got it. See, that's the eye. The eye of the coconut. Let's see if I can drink it now. It's cold enough.
The man there, man, not that it look like clot, but it run
Mmm,
like
it
clot.
tastes good.
Okay, good.
I told you.
You need a straw.
I don't have a straw. You have a straw? Huh?
Mm-mm. You can find one another color. It is.
Mm. Oh my goodness. Tastes good as it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. You gotta try it. Put it in the fridge. Make it cold. You know how long it's in there in the back of the fridge?
That was almost
No. Last weekend. We went to Dartmoor last weekend. Tastes so good. It's cold and nice. Refreshing. This is the best. Keep you hydrated. Nice. So good. Jeremy, are you seeing ads? Because I don't think I pressed the monetize button on it, and I don't know how to do it when I'm not, if I can't do it from before. Let me see. Maybe I have. Let me know if you saw any ads since you're on here. Studio. Yeah, I don't know how to see visibility. Yeah. Oh, good, good. That means it's monetized. I wasn't sure if it was monetized because I didn't press the select the monetize button, but it worked. I didn't turn it on. I don't remember turning it on. Mm, coconut knife. Mm. And it have a lot of water in it. This is what we can get for jelly. We have to buy a coconut in the grocery store, regular grocery store, and drink it. This is the jelly we get. I don't even know where this coconut come from. Like where they grow it. I think they grow it. They grow coconut here too, right? Because there's this farm that named Melissa's, and they grow coconut. They sell the coconut in the grocery store, like this. But the jelly one with a straw, Melissa's, and I normally buy those. Melissa's coconut. It's good. This what people must snack on. Nothing in the bags. This you snack on. I'm learning. I wish I knew this long time ago. I wasn't a snacker though, so that's not me. Like candy and stuff. My boss have a candy thing on her desk, and everybody eat from that candy thing except me. I don't eat candy like that and chocolate. No, give me a mango, I'll eat it. Pineapple, I'll eat it. Yeah, bring some fruits. I eat it. And I've always been that way. I wasn't a sweet person. Tastes so good, guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What is that? Engage with your audience. Oh, start a poll. Start question. Ask a question. Let's see what question asks. Are you going? What was your last? A yes or no? Um. Oh, are you going? There's the poll. Testing out everything, guys. It's good. Now I'm gonna have to break it up. What?
No, I don't know more to go.
Uh,
And I had to throw in his plate so he could even have a portrait. Can't find no
you
what?
realize ever since he gave that skin thing, he's throwing out
Who? What skin thing?
the thing about that Target.
No. We have to
Oh,
have it in a few days. You know.
oh,
Yeah.
he just started
He
throwing
told me
up.
else ain't that good stuff.
Oh, Yes, I have to just take what I can get. You're so right. You're so right. And guess what? When I came to Jamaica, big Montego Bay, I walk downtown Montego Bay. This guy that the butler at the hotel, he asked this guy that worked with a tour bus if he can take us around downtown Bay because we asked him, if he knew anyone. So he called this guy, and this guy took my cousin and I downtown Bay and stuff. And we walked down the whole place looking for a jelly coconut. Can you believe that in big Jamaica? And it's Mabay, and it's a tourist area. We couldn't find that jelly coconut. When we finally found it, the jelly coconut hot. The man had it in the sun, hot sun. And I'm like, it's hot. That's the first thing I said to him. But this hot, you know? Like, why are you selling this? And I said, and you don't even have a straw. This just mess up my day. I told the man. I said, you need to get something and you put ice in it and you put the jelly on the ice. You cannot sell people hot coconut. So I told him. I had one of the worst jelly coconut, and I was there in Jamaica. I was like, don't do that next time. Just say you don't have any. Don't sell something that's it's not gonna be a turn off. But you just say you don't have any. Don't sell it. Get a little plastic and put ice in it, and just try to keep uh, the ice going. He needed like one of those. What do you call the ice that you have to shave ice? Yeah, he needed to put it on shave ice. So hot. So I really didn't get a good coconut when I was there. And I had a good mango, a big mango. My sister in law gave it to me. I had a big mango. I had some apples from my cousin. I think she lives in Norbrook. I got some apples from like a bag of apples, and I ate that. Yeah, when I was coming back through the airport, the the man said, "What you have in the suitcase?" I said, "Everything that's sold in the store." So he was like, "Okay," because they sent me over to food and agriculture because I had so much food. So when he checking in and everything, he said, "As long as you don't have any apple in there." I said, "I don't have any apple, no mangoes, just what's sold in the store." And he said, "Okay, you're good." Because I know not to bring those stuff anyway. Just I just bring what was in the store, but I didn't get a good coconut there. Apples and mangoes, yeah. Right, exactly. He's not. He need to know you can't just sell any and anything because that meant the person not come back. That let me as a person would tell someone, "Oh, there's no good coconut," but because I know there's good coconut, he just didn't know what he doing. Exactly. Such a turn off. I mess up my day. I still, I still don't like the idea of getting a hot coconut. Can you imagine a hot jelly coconut? It was horrible. Yeah. He find some more. Yeah. He go outside every day. He goes to a daycare now. My sister drops him off at a daycare every day, and then the dog sister take him to the park. The dog sister like give him his bath and take care of him at their house. And then he comes home when my sister gets off work. Yeah, he's like a baby, real baby. My That's my sister's son. Hmm. That's her son. She had seven Pomeranians, which were the little ones, and they passed away. So she went from little tiny dogs to huge dog. This is a wolf. He's a husky. One blue eye, one gray. Yeah, yeah. So he's hardly home. He's only home on weekends. He goes to the dog sitter. Sadie, 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 how you doing? Yeah, I hear. See, I just finished my coconut. Sadie, this what we can drink for jelly coconut. This is what we drink for a jelly coconut. Believe it or not. So I finished drinking it. I have to go cut it up now. I eat it for a snack. It's better to eat this for a snack than anything else. Yeah. Yeah, I saw you uploaded a video with your granddaughter. I haven't watched it yet. Let me go over there. Go over there and see what Sadie doing. Something about your granddaughter. Mhm. Oh, she was making breakfast. Okay. What? Oh, let me make sure I make sure there's here. Let me go to Sadie's house. I went to Jeremy house already. I'm at Sadie's house. See, I'm at your house, but I'm not liking or commenting until the actual video starts. Metro Sonic until the actual video starts. I'm I know we haven't seen you a long time, Metro Sonic. How are you doing? How are you doing? How's the weather where you are? Let me give you your. Yeah, I'm just relaxing in the house today, guys, doing nothing, just accepting the peace, just being thankful for the peace. I need, well, I have a few things to do that I normally do in the morning, but my schedule was off this morning. I woke up late because I was on Jeremy's live. I mess up my sleep. Jeremy is son of the king. Yeah, and I was on his live. So mess up my sleep, woke up late, so I didn't get. So tonight, instead of this morning, I will clean the bathroom, do my laundry. Yeah, I'll do those things in the night instead of what I normally do in the morning. Then I have church tomorrow. Um, I heard that my grandchildren going tomorrow, so I better wake up and go because their mom said they're going tomorrow. And if the other three that came from Vegas to today. If they show up, they're at Disney. If they show up, then they can go to church too. So it'll be all six. But very hard. Lots of. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's okay. No, no. On the weekends, I don't mind because I can't. During the week, I normally just leave my phone running. But at least I get to stay on the live, actually interacting with you. But during the week, I will leave it on and go to sleep. But at least the weekend, I can interact. Oh wow. The power outage was really bad, and yeah, I'm sure like people who depend on the oxygen and so on, it affected them. I definitely understand. Wow. Mm, thank you. So you guys have the power back now and stuff. Wow. I never thought of these things until being there with my dad, losing my dad, the process. I didn't think of that. Like people who are on oxygen, they need the power. If the power goes out, that is problem. You know, that's problem when they lose the power. If they lose the power. My mom's talking. That that's rain. You hear him? He's a wolf, guys. I wish I could show you him, but I can't get too close to him. I'm afraid of him too. Mommy, come say hi to my live. My live. Come say hi to the people. Hi. No, you have to come around so they see you. The camera not facing that way. She's a good sport. She does come to the camera. Say hi.
Hello.
Say hi,
You put
everyone.
her up, she can't see. You have to take this back.
What?
Push
She
this.
trying to tell me what to do with my laptop.
Oh, that was you.
Yeah, that's me.
Have a good evening.
That's Gigi, guys. That's the famous Gigi. She's on a lot of my videos. Yeah, that's the famous Gigi. If you watch the videos, you'll see her. Yeah. Joshua said, "Big up your mom." Yeah, it's her and Reen. Her that's her grandson, Reen. And he's big, guys. I'm afraid of him. Oh, Irm, is he? Come here, Reen. Come, come. Say hi to the camera. Look him come, guys. Rotted. Come, Rain. Come. Oh, no, no. I'm afraid Thanks, yeah. I am so afraid of Rain, but I'm calling him. Woo, that was funny. That was funny. He know I'm afraid of him though. Yes. Yes. And see, did you guys see that Rain? You saw Rain? He came to the camera. Let's see if he's gonna come again. Rain, 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 Rain. Now come now. They have sense, guys. These dogs. They have sense. My sister used to have these Pomeranians, and one name Foxy. It was Foxy, girlfriend, Cotton, Rocky, Sporty, all kind of name. But Foxy was the only boy, and he was attached to me. That was the only one that I was really. He was red. He wasn't like the others. He had this different color, like a foxy red color. And one day I took him for a walk, and he's very protective. I took him for a walk, and when I was walking with him, normally he just walked, but this time he was jumping on me, and I'm like, "What's your problem? Stop!" And he kept jumping like he wanted me to go back to the house. So I said, "You know what? I'm not going to walk anymore. Let me go back." When I went back, guess what, guys? The stove was on. The stove was on. He was telling me to go back to the house. The stove was on. Yeah, because I said he keep like showing me to go back. He kept jumping. And I went back, the stove on. Then one he always it's like he know me because he one time I was sleeping because I lived in Georgia and they were in the backyard and he came to my window and he kept scratching the window and I'm sleeping and I woke up. I'm like, "What is it, Foxy? Leave me alone. Let me sleep." You know? And and I was like, "Just let me sleep, Foxy." And I kept ignoring him, scratching on the window, scratching like. So I said, "Okay, let me get up." You see, when I got up, guys, the back gate was open and his mom got away. Foxy's mom. So he was trying to wake me up to tell me the dog got away. Hmm. And at least the others stayed, but she ran. I don't know where she went. And up to today, we haven't found her. Her name was Girlfriend. But they have sense. I like them, but I don't like the responsibility. And I think they must like how when I lived in Georgia, they would be in the backyard. They must be in the yard. Yeah, me and them can't be in the same place. I think they should be in the yard because this one is like a wolf. He needs some woods to run through, and he need woods. He needs some woods and some river to walk through the river and stuff. He need real woods. I'm telling you guys. But my sister, that's her kids, them dogs. I would call them and run. I call them just to get their attention and run. I'll be like, "Come here, Rain, come." And she, when him come, I take off. Like, okay, I didn't mean you to get so close. What is Sadie? Sadie, see, wait a minute. Did your granddaughter burn up the planting? Where's the camera? Your granddaughter burn up the plant? Let's see the egg. Let's see the egg. Let me see. She learning though. She crack her egg. Oh, so cute. Look at her. At least you're frying it, right? You're trying. That's good. That's the right age for them to start. I can fry plantains and stuff. It's- Metrosonic said, very protective and obedient to ensure that your safety is secure. It's true because Foxy was like that. And he was the only one like that because he was a boy and the others were girls. They couldn't even care if I was sleeping or not. But Foxy, he comes to tell you he's knocking, scratching. He ripped the mosquito mesh. He ripped it out. He was trying to tell me his mom got away. The gate is open, and I just wanted to sleep. Mm, yeah. Yeah, they're very protective and they do have sense, guys. Even if there's going to be an earthquake, your dog can sense the earth before it happened, and start acting with anxiety and stuff. They do. Just like how they will, if like some maybe a bear or something, they sense the bear coming or the lions. They have sense. Okay, now I like the video. And look, Sadie, I'm about to hype your video. See, I just hyped your video. Do you guys hype videos? I hype videos. They have to tell me I can't hype anymore for the week. I be hyping videos. And now I'm going to comment. Good job. Oh, it look good. It come out good. What? She's doing her thing. The egg. I like the egg. Good job, honey. Good job. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. Do you guys hype videos when you go and watch them? I hype videos first. Before I even comment, I hype. Mm, yeah. Wonder what's coming out of this. Thank God we know about the eye of the coconut so we can get the water out. Now I gotta go break it to get the coconut. Mm. Thanks for the 7 thumbs up. That's kind of you guys. So putting the egg on it now. Oh, the planting come out. That's the planting. It come out good. So the other plant. Well, yeah, the plant. Oh, she. Okay, so it was just a couple of them. The dart. Okay, you go, girl. Learning to cook in the kitchen. Good job. Hmm. She's making our sandwich now. See, making our sandwich. I still have playing ads now. Yeah. Oh, so when you go to a video, where it would say comment, before the word comment, there's something that was say hype. So you can just press it. That's all. It would say hype video, and you just press hype video. Yeah. Have you guys ever seen it? The hype tab? I wonder if I can find it here. When your video finish, I'll look to see. Let me see if Jeremy had a hype video. Maybe I hyped it three already, so I probably hyped enough for the week. You can hype three videos for the week, I think. Oh, you guys never seen the word hype? Oh, whoa! Like when you, what is it? When you go to the video, it will say hype. Oh, I wish I had showed you. Yeah. So, oh, here it is. So, can you see it, or it's too like right here? You see the word hype? Can you see that? Yeah, I need a chopper. Can you see the word hype right here? So instead of comment, it's saying hype. It say hype this video, and you would just hype it right here. So you say hype this video right here. Yes, and thank you so much. And I'm happy to see that things is working out for the best in your states, because I know you guys had a, your city power outage and so on. So I'm happy that things is working out for you, and I appreciate you coming to the live. Yeah. Uh, Thanks for coming, Metro. You're appreciated always, and your comments are appreciated. But I'm gonna have to send it. I'm gonna send it to you guys in WhatsApp. A picture of the hype, and you tell me if you don't get that under your videos. I'm about to send it right now to both you, Sadie, because I know I have your WhatsApp too. Mhm. You see the hype? There it is, and I'm about to send it to Jeremy now. You don't see that when you go to videos? That's rain. Oh, the screen too wide. Well, I sent it to you in WhatsApp so you can see it. Let me. Oh, it's probably the brightness. Hold on. Okay. Settings. Oh, I can't do it now. I'll do it later. It's the brightness on the laptop. I have to fix it, but can't do it now. But I sent it to you in WhatsApp, guys. Yeah, you should have it in WhatsApp. So when I go to videos, I can videos. I can do a few things. Oh, you got it. So you guys never seen that before? When you hype it, you can move it, like slide it down, and then you get to the comment when you go to videos. I always hype you guys videos. Yeah, I thought everybody was doing it. Yeah, and always monetize your live. Like you got to make sure you turn it on before you go live. You make sure you turn on to monetize, like for ads. Yeah, make sure you can turn it on for ads, because you will be playing and they'll come to your live and they don't see any ads because you never turn on that monetized ads. Yeah. Yeah, I thought you guys were seeing it. I just hyped Vibes 39 TV too. He's a young man that I used to watch. He used to just wash his clothes in a white bucket. Just a little room. His dad gave him a little piece of land, and he had a little room he made out of wood. Now that young man, I've been watching for like maybe 3 years. He's building his cement house, 1 bedroom house. He's doing the bathroom right now. I've been watching him for the longest. He washing his clothes. I used to just watch him washing his clothes, and I'm like, I just thought it was peaceful. I said your life is peaceful. Give thanks out. It might not look great to you, but trust me, you have peace. Yeah. Special creation. How you doing? Thank you so much for coming. You are appreciated. I haven't seen you here. Let's see. I'm trying to put on your thing, but thank you so much for coming. Yeah, good to see you. What happened now? My mom saying, "Oh no, I bet you it's a movie." Why I can't turn on s- special K standard moderator? It keeps stopping me. I don't know. All right, let's let it go. Let's see. I don't know why it won't let me. Okay, let me try again. It won't let me turn on her moderator. Oh, let me do it from my phone. It's weird. I never seen let me see why it's not letting me. That's so weird. Nightbot, leave her alone. I'm trying to give her um thing. Leave her alone, Nightbot. I be arguing with Nightbot, Nightbot, be kind to my friends. Let me see if I can do it on the phone. I don't know why it won't. Leave my special K alone, Nightbot. There she go. Leave her. Special K, do you know Jeremy Richards? Have you guys connected before? What time is it in England? Aren't you in England, Special K? What time is it? Oh, now it decides to show up. I already gave it to her. Seen you live in a while. I haven't been live in a while. I've on my live. I've been to your live. On different time zone. It's 8:24 here. But it did it. It didn't come up. Oh, what's going on? Why they won't let me? I know I did it. Hold on. No. Let's see. That's weird. Hmm? Guess I gotta do. Okay. I'm gonna figure this out. I don't give up easily. I don't know why it's maybe it's because of the thing. What is that on your name? Like a gray thing? It won't. Why it won't let me do it? Okay, let's go here. Oh, show me that you have it now. I think it was. I didn't even see just K came in. What the? I didn't even see just Kayla. My screen not showing that. I didn't see it. I'm just seeing it on my phone. There you go, Kayla. Sorry. Hope she's still here. Kayla, are you still here? Leave my friend. Yeah. Oh, you haven't? No. Oh, it's 4 o'clock. I know we're on different time zone. Weekends, I kind of get caught up with the British folks and stuff. Yeah. I appreciate you coming, Special K. I like your what do you call the thing that you do? The view with the drone. I like those videos with the drone. I like those. Let me go look for Special K. Wait, I'll go look for Special K. Go look for Special K. I play say. Oh, let me finish. Journey. And Special K. Who is eating? Oh, Rain. The dog. So true. Special help is wonderful when it can. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I haven't seen Special K in a few months. I used to on later and can't see everybody, but when I have to work, it's hard. When I come home from work, I just want to sleep. So what I do, I just come home in the evening and turn the laptop on and play somebody. I'll just play somebody playlist because I like to feel, me. I go with my conscience, and I like to feel like nobody have to see me. They know that I'm supporting because I'm there. I'll play somebody on the TV. Today I played um some guy on the TV that was on Blessed Life Journey. You know, she said that he needed support, so I just played. I don't even know, but he don't speak our language. So my sister saw him on the TV. She's like, "And what are we listening to now?" Because he he's from the Middle East, so we speak different language. Yeah, yeah, special. Hey, I really love your videos with the drone. I love those. I wouldn't know how to use one. So every time I say I bought two for my grandsons, and they never showed me how to do it. I don't even think they played with it. I think we found it in my closet when I was moving from Vegas. One of them that was still in the box. And then the other one, he had it in his room at his house. They never even opened the drawer. I bought it for them so they can show me how to use it. None of the two of them did. So I'm gonna have to go get one for myself and figure it out. Mhm. Yeah. I'll go over to special. Okay. Thank you for the 9 thumbs up, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm going to everybody's home that visit. So I just keep the live on until the only time I end the life is when the little humans come home because I can't have them on the life. YT don't like little humans anymore on the videos and stuff. So I don't really put them on there anymore. Yeah, YT, they don't share the videos when we have the little humans on it because um, I don't know if you guys heard me mention it that a little YouTuber became a millionaire. His family became millionaire from YouTube, and then when he turned 18, they were broke. So when he turned 18, he sued the parents and he sued YT. Yes, and said, they didn't put any money aside. Employee, I was working. The channel was about me, and they didn't do anything. Everything was about him. every video you saw me in it, and they're bankrupt, and I have none of that money that I earned. They made the videos off me. She lost the case. Yep. And the child that turned 18 won the case. So there's a lot of things going on that you guys don't know why the rules are changed and why they do certain things. This is the reason why they don't really want children that's under 18 doing this. Turn 18 and make that decision, you know, to be on the internet. And then they had this young lady where she's mentally ill and she sued Facebook, YouTube, Twitter. She sued a whole bunch of them for her mental, that she is depressed because of them. And they settled. I know Facebook settled with her first. And yeah, Google did settle, which is YouTube. Yeah. I don't know if Twitter settled, but hmm yep. So them afraid of Pitney right now. They're afraid of them. Mm. Yeah, they're afraid of them. They're afraid them grow up and sue them. Yeah, they're afraid of them now, man. Yeah, that's what's been going on in the courts here. A lot of it going on in the courts. A lot. Hmm.
Did I throw that other big bag, Tony?
What big bag?
Trash bag.
No, it was two, and I know I threw away one. I was gonna wash out that trash can, but I was waiting till it get dark. So when I poured the water over there, people,
I just had to throw the water over the sink all day yesterday.
the people would think it's rain, like I did. One night I heard the water, and I went to work, and this man, he live in the same city. He's the vice president of HR or something, and I saw him in the kitchen. So I was like, "Did you like that little rain that we had?" He's like, "What rain?" I said, "We had a little rain." When we go to my office now, and me Google if we really had rain. No rain. I must have poured water outside, and I thought it was rain. And me gonna tell the man say we had rain. Man, look, I'm crazy. Mm-mm. I want to.
Because number one, laundry bag. Thank you. The stuff
Me
down.
not like them laundry basket. Now.
Huh?
I don't like those wood laundry baskets.
Not those. We still get rid of them.
I was getting one with wheels, like what the people have. They be getting them with
Like
wheels.
you know, they one with the handle like.
Mm.
But just in the time, eh, you find somewhere put them foot spa. And the thing went down there, the plastic thing.
What
Like
plastic thing?
one plastic thing on the side, somebody put
Oh,
some stuff in there.
oh, oh.
I get one little drawer like to put stuff in there, you know, and then like a cleaning thing and stuff like that on the cupboard at the bottom.
Mm-mm.
And I married them have one thing where they need to throw it because it breaks.
What is it?
That yellow thing when they have in there.
What yellow thing?
But they have the hair stuff.
Oh, what am I on? It's still Germany. This thing's still on your German. I got when it finished. I go to Caleb. All the K's came. Special K and Caleb. I haven't seen Caleb in a long time too. It's at least 4 months I haven't seen the both. Special K and Caleb. See, they say you need something bigger for the coconut. Oh boy. I hope you guys can visit each other. They're playing a lot of ads on Jeremy's video. Oh my god, they can kill the ads then when they know you're watching it. See. If you have a job, start. Yeah, you gotta have a job first. Uh, who's that now? Who is it? Boy, some strange things can happen in this country though. They talk about this how other countries are bad and this, but it happens everywhere. Everywhere crime happen. Everywhere things happen because just like how they're looking for this little boy, Jayla Smith. This little boy now went on a trip with probably four of his friends. They're all Caucasian, and he went with the Caucasian boys. He's African American. His father is black, and the mom looked Spanish or maybe Filipino, one of them. But he mixed. But once you have a speck of black, you're African American. So they went on an island somewhere, and in Mississippi, and the friends come back without him. And before the friends report that he's missing, they get a lawyer. All the friends hire lawyers before they report the friend missing, and say that they don't know where he is. And this is not the first time it's happening to an African young man. This other one went camping with his friends. And I think they were co-workers, and went camping with all his Caucasian friends, and he never came back. They say he's missing. His fiance said she don't understand. They said that he got in an argument with someone, and he went out in the woods, and all these things happened. I don't know. You can't even trust. He 18, just came out of high school or something. You can't even say, okay, you can go with your friends at 18, because you can't even trust the kids' friends. Boy, I don't know. Can't trust anyone. If it's not family, I wouldn't send my kids to no island. Thank you, Sadie, so much. Thank you. Probably you and Jeremy, because I see two people still here. So yeah, I'm still at Jeremy playing Jeremy. His thing is um a little bit more, and then I'll go to Kayla and Special K, and then I'll just end the line. But I'm just gonna go to their house. But anyway, those two young men have the same story, and they died. So this place is scary. Yeah, I wouldn't send my, hey, it's not my sons, they're my grandson, but I'm not sending them to no friend owes. Anywhere, if your friend wants you to come over, I'm coming too. Yeah, if I was their mom, hey, your friend wants you guys to go, I'm coming too. We all going. Anywhere they inviting you, we, I'm going. Mhm. Yeah. Shouldn't be doing anything that parents, they're going to the islands. Oh, well, I'll just take your siblings too. We all going to the islands. Whichever island that is in Mississippi. Mississippi too. Wow, that's crazy. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I don't know. Pray for us. I don't know. But he's not really African American. He's mixed race. But the media gonna turn it. Oh, he's African American. He's mixed race. The kid, he's mixed race. No. Okay, Jeremy's done. Okay, we're going. Jeremy and Sadie's done. I think there was Kayla on the live. Kayla. Let's go visit Kayla. I haven't seen Kayla. I'm gonna keep the live open so I can get some visit from everybody. Just Kayla Boo. They took away my sub. That's crazy. How long I've been coming to your thing? That's why you gotta always revisit, guys. Always revisit, because you don't know what's the reason they take the your subscription off. Sometimes it's the app. It's a glitch. Because I've been friends with Kayla for the longest, and I just went there, and it says I'm not subscribed. What? I've been subscribed to her like for 2 years. Mm, I'm 6'7". SN 6'7". Oh, Jamaican since I get 6'7". You guys, do you get the gifts that you can redeem to? If you're in Jamaica, do you get that? Where you can redeem gifts? Let me see. Because it seems like, okay, so right here, they gave me free gifts so I can redeem. I can use them and send to you guys. Okay, so look at this. Do you have this option? It says send gift. Do you get that option too? I'm sending it to Sadie too. See, you can send gifts free because YT give you some free gifts. See that 6'7"? That's from Jamaican Butterfly. It they give you a certain amount free. It would say gifts. So it's like TikTok where they would give the the rose and those stuff. YouTube have it too. It's called Jewel Gifts. She'd say, "You have jewels to redeem on us. Use them, and then we can send them." Okay, let me go back to Kayla. Here's Kayla. Oh my God, that's so scary. What Kayla has like a, oh my God, scary. That's scary, Kayla. Kayla stuff always scary. Oh, this is Chucky. Scary. I just saw Chucky in someone's car the other day. Scary. Kayla, why you like these stuff? This is my last one. Scary stuff on Kayla Boo. She has all scary stuff like, Halloween stuff. Scary. Yeah, guys. So you can send jewels to people. I don't know if you guys have it, so check it out. I sent it to Jeremy's WhatsApp and Sadie WhatsApp. Check it out. You get free jewels from YouTube, and then you can buy the rest. I had what 80 free jewels that you use as gifts. It's like TikTok where you send roses. Yeah, you can do that on YouTube too. Tell me if you see that on yours. Kayla always has these scary stuff. Hmm. Yeah, Jane. Mhm. Kayla stuff is scary. Oh my god, I can't wait to get off it. Kayla, I want to go to sleep tonight, Kayla. Mm. After Kayla, go to special, okay, special creation. Yeah, tell me if you guys see the jewels on your stuff. It will be, let me see. Let me see. Well, I sent it to you in the WhatsApp. You will see it. Those things are what we have. So let me know if you guys have it. Anything that's scary, that shows up in my feed belongs to Kayla. Tell you. I'm still at Kayla Boo. All right. All done with Kayla. Now let me go to creation. Which one you? You see this one? Do you guys get free jewels? That's a question. Let me see if I can edit it. Hold on. Let's see. Can I can't edit it here. Oh, you can. Oh, really? Nice. Mm, trying to remember how I did this back then. I just want to do this. Um, I was asking you if you guys get the option to send jewels. It's like it's free. YouTube give you like maybe 80. They gave me 80 on Jamaican butterfly. Um, jewels gifts. It's like that 6-7 that's in my chat right now. That's what I was sending you a picture of. There, The picture that you see, it says, see you right there in my chat right now. You guys, you see the 6 7? That's called the jewels. And YouTube give you free jewels gifts. So I just received a so YouTube gives you those free gifts too. Oh, maybe because I'm asking about movies. Okay. Okay, I'm finished with Kayla. Let me go visit Special K. I love Special K videos because she used the drone. She used the drone. It's really nice outdoors. I like the view from the drone. Have anybody seen the Michael Jackson movie yet? Anybody seen the Michael Jackson movie yet? Wow, I can't believe I'm gonna make it to 2 hours. I guess I'm following Jeremy last night. He did 2 hours. Normally I do half an hour, guys. I normally just do half an hour. I think we should do at least an hour, but I do half an hour because that's what I have in the morning before work. That's all I have, half an hour. But I think an hour is good because it takes half an hour for the algorithm to pick you up and share you out and know you there to stay. So I think you should do an hour. I do half an hour because I'm so happy I had this coconut to drink because I was getting muscle cramps. I was dehydrated. Happy I had the coconut. I'm playing Special K. She has a very guys go visit Special K. You see how her videos are really nice. She use a drone, guys. You have the handle. You can go visit. I'm fine with it. Well, I think I'm gonna wash. I'm gonna clean the bath now. Have a shower. Put some clothes in the laundry. So I'm going to do right. Tell them. Yep, that's what we're about to do. Laundry and clean the bathroom. Laundry and clean the bathroom. Tell them. Yeah, just sitting here for 2 hours. But I'm gonna clean the bathroom now, and the laundry. Oh, well, what did he just say? Boy, they keep talking about this little boy. It's so sad because that little boy, he had friends of all colors. You know, it didn't matter if you were homeless, he'll be a friend to you. Who went through your. Oh, wow. 201 trio? Oh, my gosh. This is so long for me. I only can do it if I'm, just chillaxing, but I could never like sitting in front of it for 3 hours. Also, two, maybe two, but three? Oh, that's crazy. Crazy. I used to do live stream on StreamYard for, before I was monetized. I used to do it on StreamYard for like 10 hours, 11 hours on StreamYard. Yeah, I used to do that before I was monetized, and thank God I started that time because now StreamYard don't even have a free option. You have to pay. Back then we had a free option. Yeah, I'm gonna. Should I? No, I don't think I should wash my hair tonight. I wash my hair after church tomorrow. So I'm just gonna clean the bathroom. Don't wash my hair till tomorrow. Clean the bathroom and do my laundry. Call it a day. Mm. What this? I need some good tea now. Some real lemon tea. Oh yeah, Special K videos doing so well. Your videos are doing well because she's using her drone. I don't know what's the rules on the drone here. Like where can you use it and where you can't use it. In this place, I don't see anybody using it right here, so I'm sure there's some rules on it. I don't think we can use it near the airport, and we're near the airport. I heard that there was some mass shooting in Toronto today. I guess they had a salsa festival and something was happening there. Oh boy, it's always something. They only do live stream, no video. Oh, that's why. Okay, that's why. I get it. You just chill on the weekend. I hardly get to be by myself, so this is the moment I get to be by myself. So I said, let me go on YT and just keep it open. I'm at special case. She's doing well. I'm telling you, go check her out. You see the drone view that she's doing? Absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh wow, 3 hours. Is- I wonder which one is better, live stream or video. No way, this lady from I don't believe this that this lady died. Thought she was still alive. The lady from Girlfriend. Hmm, it's weird. I wonder, oh, Kayla do it. Kayla Boo. Or she just play. All her games are about like Halloween and stuff. How she differentiate. After a while, those things affect your energy, you know? Because I go over there and watch was it 3 videos a while ago. Chucky. And one was, I don't know what that was in the dark, like a ghost or something. Like how she separated herself from playing all those bad those Candy. Kayla, I don't know how you do it. You gotta start playing some other stuff, Kayla. Okay, we reached 2 hours. Yes, we're almost there, guys. I think we 6 more minutes. And we did 2 hours of fun time. Probably only had a few people here. They're not used to me going live at this time, but that's okay. That's all right. I'm fine. I'm going to clean my bathroom now. Mm-hmm. Clean my bathroom and wash my clothes and get ready for bed and then see myself at church tomorrow. I'm gonna get my sleep tonight. You going live, Jeremy, tonight? I like that name, Son of the King. I really like it. I think it fit you. Oh, no live tonight. Mm. Yeah. Kayla visited my videos. I see her commenting. Those stuff scary that you be playing. Jeremy, have you been to Kayla's? Kayla Boo, she played games like she played video games, but they scary video games. Mm-mm. I feel like washing my hair, I'm so tempted, but I don't want to get sick because I'm gonna leave it wet. It has colored now. I'll do it tomorrow, but I really feel like a nice shampoo. I think I'll just give myself a massage and go to bed. Massage my hair. Still at Special K. You should go over there and check out her videos. They're really beautiful with the drone. I don't think we can use drone in my area because I'm right by the airport. I'll have to go to a rural area to use it. I think. Three more minutes. What did it take, bro? Still there. Wait, Natural Life is live. I haven't seen her in a while. Thank you, Sadie. I had an idea that you were still here. You and Jeremy. I'm about to sign off now when this thing timer turn into 2 hours. I haven't done a 2 hour live in a while. So YouTube got lucky today. Imagine, see, how long I've been a content creator. I think it's 2 years now. And it's one check I ever get. One check out of the 2 years. But I'm thankful. That's an extra dollar. When that hits my bank account, like yes, I can. My first check, if you go back and watch the videos, I split my first check. I give my mother something. I give my grandkids some. Everybody got $20 till they finish. Oh. But you see her videos because they're different now. She used to do like videos where she's standing there talking or in the car, but now she's doing view videos. Like you can see through the with the drone. Yeah. Yeah, it's her videos that I was asking if you check them out. They're really nice. I like it. Yeah. But that first look at check, I get everybody $20 out of it. Yeah. Okay. Page. Yeah. Whose page? It was checking whose page? See, oh, you have ads? Oh, thanks for telling me I won't end the live till it finished. So, oh, yeah, yeah. Jeremy do live. That's Jeremy Richards. Yeah, he do live. You know what's crazy? 3,000 people watched her video and only 37 likes. That's just crazy. Why would you watch a video and not like it? You know, you see 3,000, 3 point K views and 37 likes. That's just, I can't do that. I go, even if forget in the beginning before I leave, I check to see if I did like the video. If I started talking and then didn't like the video, I'll look, and then you will hear them like, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. People would say that, but how do you get 3,000 views and only 37 likes? What to like the video is it's free, guys. I promise you, it is free. Yeah, he does lives like in the night, your time. He on the same time like you. Well, stay up late. He stay up late too, cause he works late. Yeah, he works late. He works nights, so you get to see him live. Yeah, Jeremy Richards. Hmm. Guys, make sure you go visit Joshua too. I don't know if he posted any new videos, but we got to support him. I don't know if he's posting or what, but he's such a great supporter. Visit each other. You have the blue handle now, and I'm still live. Go over there, visit each other, support each other videos, and even if you subscribe, just go over there and visit them. Okay. The ads finished, Sadie. Boy, them not stop play the ad them. 5 people watching. Thank you for your thumbs up. It is free to just go like this, I promise you. And you might have a free jewel. Yeah, a free jewel. It look at the bottom of the video. You might see a free jewel that YouTube gave you 80 of them. You can always send a free jewel. Hmm. It's free. Just look at the bottom of your video, and it will say "Send gift free jewels." Hmm. Can send them too. They're free. Oh gosh. Mm-mm. Oh, he has no new video. I hope he's doing well. Poor thing. He goes through his own little thing. I don't know if you know he's special needs. So he has, his own little timing on thing. When he can do it and when he can't do it. Yeah. That's his heart. Yeah. Well, I'm all done with Special K. I'm gonna clean my bathroom, guys, and do laundry, so I don't have to do it tomorrow, the day before work. Yeah, so I can work off. All right. Thank you for sticking it out with me. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you for just hanging out because that's all I was doing, hanging out today. Thank you for the time. Whew. Yeah, it's time to go clean the bathroom and go to bed and do some laundry. Lord. All right. Four people on the line. You got do it often so people see. Yes, yes. You have to be consistent. Consistency. I agree. You gotta be consistent. At least if you do videos, you do one a week. If you do one a month, you do one a month. But stick to a consistency. Like me, I if I don't do a video, I'm going live for that week. So and no, yeah, yeah. I at least try to do a video every 2 weeks, but I definitely go do either a video or go live. But peace and love. Thank you for spending 2 long, draining hours with me. Peace and love, guys. It's not easy, but thank you. Have a good one. Good. As from ad shop. Yeah. They love Oh my God. Are they still going now? What? They're still going. I appreciate it. I need those ads. Thank you. I need those ads, YT. I haven't got a paycheck in 2 years. 2 years. Yeah, I got one paycheck so far, and I was so thankful. I was so excited. Oh my God, I told everybody about this paycheck. My $100. I was so happy. I was telling everybody I got paid and I work for YouTube. I did. I got paid. No. Yeah. I'm all done with special K. Mm. All right, guys. Peace and love. See you all soon. It didn't make 10 thumbs up. Not even 10 thumbs up. It didn't make enough. That's not good. But they're not used to me going live. So see you next Saturday. Hopefully, I get 2 hours like this alone. Yay! All right. Bye, guys.